In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Microsoft Store games with a controller. If you've ever been frustrated trying to figure out how to use a controller for games you've downloaded from the Microsoft Store, then this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in and make gaming easier and more enjoyable for you. First, we'll need to visit the Microsoft Store. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Store homepage. This is your one-stop shop for apps, games, and more on your Windows PC. Whether you're looking to browse new releases or download an old favorite, this is the place to be. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Microsoft account. Simply click on the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. You'll need your email and password handy for this step. By signing in, you'll have access to your library and be able to manage your purchases and downloads seamlessly. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Microsoft Store home. This is your hub for discovering games and apps. You'll find a wide variety of categories to explore, from the latest action-packed games to relaxing puzzle games. Browse through the options until you find a game that piques your interest. The selection is vast, so take your time to explore and find something you'll enjoy. Once you've selected a game, it's crucial to ensure that it supports controller gameplay. Not all games will have this feature, so it's important to look for it. Check the game's details and specifications. Typically, there will be a section indicating whether a controller is supported. This ensures that your gaming experience will be smooth and allows you to enjoy the game with your preferred input method. If you've confirmed that the game supports controllers, you're good to go. Download the game to your device and prepare your controller. Make sure that your controller is charged and ready. Depending on whether you're using a wired or wireless controller, you'll need to connect it to your PC. For wireless controllers, it's often as simple as ensuring Bluetooth is enabled and pairing the device. Once connected, launch your game and start enjoying a more comfortable gaming experience with the controller in hand. By following these steps, you can enjoy a variety of games from the Microsoft Store using your controller, enhancing your comfort and overall gameplay experience. Whether you're chasing high scores or exploring virtual worlds, having a controller can make all the difference. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial and happy gaming.